9.5, we are going to solve the homogeneous differential equations. In each of the exercises 1 to 10, show the given differential equation is homogeneous and solve each of them. So, the first problem is given as, the first problem is x square plus xy dy, x square plus xy dy is equal to x square plus y square into dx. So, we have to show that the given differential equation is homogeneous and we should solve them. The degree of each term is same, therefore it is homogeneous first thing. We can prove it is homogeneous by writing the given function as dy by dx is equal to function of y by x. So, we will try. We can write this one as first the degree is same, we can say it is homogeneous, and another way is we will try to write this given differential equation as dy by dx is equal to some function of y by x. So, I can write this one as dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square divided by x square plus xy. By taking x square common outside, we will get 1 plus y by x whole square divided by x square into 1 plus x square is taken common outside, 1 plus y by x. So, this is nothing but some function of, I can write capital F of y by x form. So, if we are able to write the given differential equation as dy by dx is equal to f of y by x or dx by dy is equal to f of x by y, then the given differential equation is nothing but homogeneous. So, for the homogeneous differential equation, the method of solving is, first we will substitute y is equal to vx or y by x is equal to v is our substitution. Y is equals to vx. So, when we substitute y is equal to vx, what is dy by dx will be? Our dy by dx is equals to product rule for right hand side, v into differentiation of x is 1 plus x into differentiation of v is dv by dx. So, this is the general substitution for homogeneous differential equation. So, substituting this dy by dx, we are going to replace as dy by dx is v plus x into dv by dx. V plus x into dv by dx is equal to, now coming to right hand side, 1 plus y by x whole square, y by x is v. So, 1 plus v square divided by 1 plus y by x, 1 plus v. Now, we change the variables in the terms of v and x. We are going to solve this by the method of variable separable now. So, x times of dv by dx is equals to 1 plus v square by 1 plus v minus v. So, on simplification, x of dv by dx is equals to 1 plus v square minus 1 minus v square divided by 1 plus v, which is nothing but v square, 1 plus v square minus v minus v square. So, v square terms will get cancelled. So, this is nothing but 1 minus v by 1 plus v. So, now separating the variables, we will get this one as dv, this is 1 minus v by 1 plus v will come this side as 1 plus v divided by 1 minus v into dv is equals to dx by x. We separated the variables. Now, integrating on both sides, our right hand side is dx by x is log x plus c. Now, left hand side, it is the integration of rational function. Now, the degrees are same, numerator and denominator. Let us do first division. So, I have to divide now, minus v plus 1 is my dividend. So, divisor. So, here v plus 1. So, we are dividing v plus 1 by minus, I arrange just descending order. So, v plus 1 divided by minus v plus 1 is nothing but quotient is minus 1. So, we get minus v and minus 1. So, remainder will be 2. So, how can we write in mixed fraction form? So, this can be written as first our quotient minus 1 plus 2 divided by 1 minus v. So this is our left hand side now. So our left hand side can be written as minus integration of minus 1 plus 2 divided by 1 minus v of dv is equal to, already right hand side is integration is done. So this part will come as, first part is minus dv which is minus v, and second one is 2 by 1 minus v is nothing but minus log 1 minus v, this one. So 2 is outside. So minus 2 log 1 minus v. So we have done integration for both the sides, which is equals to log x plus c. Now let us group the terms. Now replacing v as y by x, we get minus y by x minus 2 log 1 minus y by x is equals to log x plus c. Now simplification, log x, that is minus log x, or we can take that log x, here this log x that side, anyway we can do. So I will get minus y by x is equals to log x plus 2 log 1 minus y by x can be written as log of 1 minus y by x whole square plus c. So minus y by x is equals to log a plus log b form, or again we can write this one as log x plus log of x minus y divided by x whole square plus c. Now log a plus log b is log ab, log of x into x minus y whole square divided by x square plus c. So 1x gets cancelled, and this side we are having minus y by x. So finally we can give this one as log of x minus y whole square divided by x is equals to c minus, that is minus c minus y by x, which is again plus c, we can write the constant. So c minus y by x. So therefore the final solution can be given as x minus y whole square is equal to, I am converting this logarithm into exponential function, which will come as e to the power of c minus y by x. E power c is again one constant c I can write. So e to the power of minus y by x, and this denominator x will come here. So xc e power minus y by x is our final solution. X minus y whole square is equal to xc e power minus y by x. Second problem, y dash is equals to x plus y by x, that is dy by dx is equals to x plus y divided by x. So first we will show this given differential equation is homogeneous. We can observe that degree of each term is same, that is 1. So it is homogeneous, or even we can write this one in the form of f of y by x. If I will take x common outside, it will become 1 plus y by x divided by x. So the given function is nothing but f of y by x form. Therefore the given differential equation is nothing but homogeneous differential equation. Now to solve homogeneous differential equation, our substitution is y is equals to vx. So we will get dy by dx is equals to v plus x into dv by dx. So let us replace the variables in terms of v and x. So dy by dx is nothing but v plus x of dv by dx is equal to 1 plus y by x is function. So 1 plus y by x is nothing but v. So v gets cancelled both sides. So this is nothing but x of dv by dx is equals to 1, or dv is equals to dx divided by x, integrating on both sides. We did now here variable separable. We separated the variables. Now integrating on both sides, we get integration of dv is v, integration of dx by x is log mod x plus c, replacing v by y by x. Y by x is equals to log mod x plus c, or y is equals to x log mod x plus x into c. Third problem, x minus y dy minus x plus y of dx is equal to 0. So first let us arrange and write it as x minus y dy is equals to x plus y dx, or dy by dx is equal to x plus y divided by x minus y. It's clear that it is homogeneous. Or we can take x common outside from both numerator and denominator. We will get 1 plus y by x divided by x of 1 minus y by x. So this is in the form of, that is 1 plus y by x by 1 minus y by x is function of y by x. So dy by dx is nothing but function of y by x. So the given function is the given differential equation is the homogeneous differential equation. Therefore, our substitution is y is equal to vx, dy by dx is equals to v plus x into dv by dx. So substituting this, we will get dy by dx plus v plus x into dv by dx. So v plus x of dv by dx is equals to 1 plus y by x by 1 minus y by x. Y by x is v, 1 plus v by 1 minus v. Now let us separate the variables. X dv by dx is equals to 1 plus v by 1 minus v minus v, or 1 plus v minus v plus, minus v, 1 plus v minus v plus v square divided by 1 minus v. So this is nothing but x into dv by dx. Now let us separate the variables. So we will get 1 minus v divided by 1 plus v square is equals to dx dv here of dv is equals to dx divided by x. Now integrating on both sides, integration of 1 minus v by 1 plus v square dv is equals to integration of dx by x. Now to integrate, let us split this one, that is integration of dv by 1 plus v square minus integration of v dv by 1 plus v square is equals to integration of dx by x is log mod x plus c. Now left hand side, dv by 1 plus v square is nothing but tan inverse of v, integration of dv by 1 plus v square. Now coming to second part, we can go for substitution 1 plus v square as t. So we will get 2v dv is equals to dt. So v dv is nothing but half dt. So by substitution, integration of v dv, that is half dt divided by 1 plus v square is t. So this is nothing but half log mod t. So t is 1 plus v square. So integration of this part is nothing but half log mod 1 plus v square. So directly I will write now. So second part integration is half log mod 1 plus v square minus half log mod 1 plus v square is equals to log mod x plus c. Now tan inverse of v, we can replace v as y by x. Similarly here minus, this can be written as log of 1 plus v square is y square by x square, v is y by x. So y square divided by, here if I take LCM, this is x square, so x square plus y square divided by x square whole to the power of half is equals to log mod x plus c. Now this is the form of minus log x square plus y square whole power half. Again here you will get minus of minus log x square whole power half. Only this part I do simplification. We will get this one as log of x square plus y square whole power half, log a by b form, log a minus log b minus log of x square whole power half. So this, it will become minus log x, outside one minus is there. So with that minus sign it will become plus log x. We are having both the sides log x. So, this log x term will get cancelled. So, when we cancel this log x term, we will get here as tan inverse of y by x, and I can take this minus log x square plus y square as to the right hand side. Tan inverse of y by x is nothing but log, we can write even half log or log of x square plus y square whole power half plus c. Fourth problem, x square minus y square dx plus 2xy dy is equal to 0. First try to arrange what is dy by dx we will get, then we will show it is homogeneous or not. So, x square minus y square of dx is equals to minus 2xy dy. So, or otherwise dy by dx is equals to x square minus y square divided by minus 2xy, or minus sign I can keep it here, 2xy. Now, we got dy by dx is equal to negative of x square minus y square by 2xy, and we can check each term is of degree 2, 2, 2, 1 plus 1, 2. So, it is homogeneous, or we will try to write now it is in the form of function of y by x. So, to write that, let me take x square common outside. So, when I take x square outside, it will become 1 minus y by x whole square divided by, here it is 2xy. So, 1x gets cancelled. So, I can write this one as 1 minus y by x whole square, negative sign is there outside, divided by 2 into this x we can bring it to the denominator, 2 of y by x. So, the given differential equation is in the form of function of y by x. Therefore, this is homogeneous. So, substitution is y is equal to Vx. When y is equal to Vx, we will get dy by dx is equals to V plus x into dV by dx. So, replacing the variables, dy by dx is V plus x into dV by dx. V plus x into dV by dx is equal to, I can replace here minus, negative sign is outside, 1 minus y by x whole square, y by x is V. So, 1 minus V square divided by 2 times of y by x, 2V. So, this can be written, even I can take the negative sign inside, it will be V square minus 1 divided by 2V, which is V, let me take V that side. So, x into dV by dx is equals to V square minus 1 by 2V minus V, this part. So, we will get V square minus 1 minus 2V square by 2V, or minus V square minus 1 divided by 2V. Now, we got x into dV by dx is equals to minus of V square plus 1 by 2V. Now, separating the variables, we will get 2V divided by V square plus 1 dV is equals to minus of dx by x. Negative sign is here. So, minus dx by x. Now, integrating on both sides. This part is nothing but log mod V square plus 1. This is log mod 1 plus V square. If we substitute 1 plus V square as t, we will get 2V dV as dt. So, this will take a form integration of dt by t, which is log mod t, which is log mod 1 plus V square is equals to minus log mod x plus, since all the terms are in log, we can take even constant term as log c. Now, replacing V by y by x, log mod 1 plus y square by x square is equals to, I can write even plus log mod x is equals to log c. Now, using the formula log a plus log b, we will get log ab, that is log mod, this x square is LCM here, x square plus y square by x square into x, which is nothing but log x square plus y square divided by 1 log x, sorry, into it is it. So, into x by x square. So, 1x will be here is equals to log c. This is nothing but, I will write answer here. Log gets cancelled for both the sides, that is log a is equal to log b implies a is equal to b. So, x square plus y square is equals to xc. Fifth problem, x square dy by dx is equals to x square minus 2y square plus xy. So, we can write this one as dy by dx is equal to, dividing throughout by x square, we will get 1 minus 2 into y square by x square, which is y by x whole square, plus dividing by x square, y by x, 1x will get cancelled, y by x. So, the given differential equation is in the form of dy by dx is equals to f of y by x. Therefore, this is homogeneous differential equation. Substitution, excuse me, y is equal to vx. So, we get dy by dx is equals to v plus x into dv by dx. So, this is substitution for the homogeneous differential equation, replacing dy by dx as v plus x into dv by dx is equals to 1 minus 2v square plus v. Now, we can cancel this v. Now, separating the variables, we will get dv divided by 1 minus 2v square is equals to dx divided by x. So, we separated the variables. Now, we have to integrate both sides. Right hand side is log mod x. Coming to left hand side, it is integration of dv by 1 minus 2v square. We can write this one as integration of dv by half can be taken outside. So, we will get 1 by 2 minus v square, taking 2 common outside, 1 by 2 minus v square, 2 is taken outside. So, this is nothing but in the form of integration of dx divided by a square minus x square formula. Integration of dx by this can be written as half whole square. So, a square 1 by root 2 whole square. So, it is a square minus x square formula. So, formula for dx by a square minus x square integration is nothing but 1 by 2a log mod a plus x divided by a minus x. So, integration of dx by a square minus x square is 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x. So, using that formula, we will get this part as 1 by 2a, already 2 is there outside, half part. So, 1 by 2 into 2a, 2 into a is nothing but 1 by root 2 log mod a plus x, a is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 plus x, x is v divided by 1 by root 2 minus v. So, this integration is nothing but our left hand side integration is this 2 root 2, 1 that is 2 into 2 by root 2, 1 2 will get cancelled as root 2 this will come. So, we will get integration of dv by 1 minus 2v square is nothing but 1 by 2 root 2 log mod, here by taking LCM we will get 1 plus root 2 into v divided by 1 minus root 2 into v is equals to right hand side integration of dx by x, which is log mod x plus can write log c. Can use even c or log c we can write. So, now replacing v as y by x, 1 by 2 root 2 log mod 1 plus root 2, v is from here v is y by x. So, 1 plus root 2 into y by x or x plus root 2y divided by x minus root 2y is equals to log x into log c is nothing but xc. Sixth problem, x dy minus y dx is equals to root over x square plus y square. First let us arrange the terms. can write x dy is equals to root over x square plus y square plus y of dx. Therefore, dy by dx is nothing but root over x square plus y square plus y divided by x. Now, let us try to write this one in the form of function of y by x. We can take x common out, x square outside. So, it will come out as x root 1 plus y by x whole square. Here there is no x, but we took x common outside, y by x divided by x. So, this x gets cancelled, or we can say we can divide both the terms by x. So, now this can be written, it is function of y by x. 1 plus y by x whole square. So, we got dy by dx is nothing but root over 1 plus y by x whole square plus y by x. So, our substitution is y is equals to vx. So, when you substitute y is equal to vx implies dy by dx is equals to v plus x into dv by dx. So, dy by dx is v plus x into dv by dx. V plus x of dv by dx is equal to root over 1 plus y by x whole square. Root over 1 plus y by x is nothing but v square plus y by x plus v. Now, both the sides v gets cancelled. We have x into dv by dx is equals to root over 1 plus v square. Now, we can separate the variables, that is dv divided by root over 1 plus v square is equals to dx by x. Now, integrating on both sides. Now, left hand side integration, it's one formula, that is integration of dx divided by root over a square plus x square is nothing but log mod x plus root over a square plus x square. So, using that formula, we can write left hand side as log mod x plus, here v plus root over 1 plus v square is equals to log mod x plus log c. So, we will get log of, okay, we can first cancel overall log, right hand side is left, log x plus log c is log x into c. This side left hand side log mod v plus root over 1 plus v square. So, v plus root over 1 plus v square is equals to xc. Sorry. First step I use log a plus log b as log ab here. Now, log get cancelled, it is equals to xc. Now, replace v as y by x, we will get y by x plus root over 1 plus y square by x square is equals to xc. So, by taking LCM and simplifying, we will get y plus root over x square plus y square is equals to xc. This LCM x will go here, c x square. Seventh problem, x cos y by x plus y sin y by x of y dx is equals to y sin y by x minus x cos y by x of x dy. Now, let us find out what is dy by dx from this. Dy by dx is nothing but there dy, I have taken dx there. So, these terms just I will multiply with y, xy cos y by x plus y square sin y by x divided by, here this term xy sin y by x minus x square cos y by x. Now, we have to prove this function is in the form of f of y by x. So, let us divide both numerator and denominator by x square. So, when I divide numerator by x square, xy by x square, 1x will get cancelled, I will get y by x cos of y by x plus dividing by x square y by x whole square sin y by x. Coming to denominator, we are dividing both numerator and denominator by x square. So now dividing by x square, it will become y by x. So y by x sin of y by x minus x square get cancelled here, cos y by x. So we can observe all the terms are in the form of y by x. So it is in the form of function of y by x. The given differential equation is in the form of f of y by x. So it is nothing but homogeneous differential equation. So our substitution is nothing but y is equals to Vx. So dy by dx is equals to V plus x into dV by dx. So we will replace that part now. Dy by dx is V plus x into dV by dx is equals to y is Vx. So y by x all V. I will get V cos y by x V plus V square sin V divided by V sin V minus cos V. V sin V minus cos V, y by x is V again. Now separating the variables, x dV by dx is equals to V cos V plus V square sin V divided by V sin V minus cos V minus V. You have not separated the variables, just I brought the V that side. Now by taking LCM, V cos V plus V square sin V minus V square sin V plus V cos V whole thing divided by V sin V minus cos V. So I think V square sin V term will get cancelled. So we are having V cos V, again one more V cos V. So this is nothing but 2V cos V divided by V sin V minus cos V. So this is nothing but x into dV by dx. Now by separating the variables, we get in dV, that is this will come as reciprocal here. So I can write V sin V minus cos V divided by 2V cos V dV is equals to dx by x. Now integration on both sides. So we separated the variables, now we have to do integration. So we need the integration of V sin V minus cos V divided by 2V cos V. Let us separate the function. So I will get integration of divide V sin V by 2V cos V, we will get half tan V. V gets cancelled, 1 by 2 is there, half tan V minus cos V by, here cos V will get cancelled, minus 1 by 2 can be taken outside, here dV is there, minus dV divided by V is equals to log mod x plus log mod c. Now even here half can be taken outside, integration of tan V dV is nothing but log mod secant V and minus integration of dV by V, half is there here, log mod V is equals to log mod x plus log mod c can be written as log of xc, AB formula, log A plus log B, log AB. This half can be taken outside. So when we take half outside, you will get log of half log secant V divided by V, log A minus log B formula. So log A by B, we can cross multiply with, that is, you can take cross multiply this 2, you will get 2 log mod xc, or this can be written as log xc whole square. Now both the sides log will get cancelled, we will get secant V by V is equals to x square c square. Now we will replace, substitute V as y by x. So we will get secant y by x divided by y by x is equals to x square c. C square is again one constant c only. So, secant y by x is equals to, can cross multiply, we will get y by x, x y c. Eighth problem, x dy by dx minus y plus x sin y by x is equal to 0. First we will find out what is dy by dx. So, dy by dx, okay, x dy by dx is equals to y minus x sin y by x, y minus x sin y by x, or dy by dx is equals to y by x minus x by x gets cancelled, sin of y by x. So, the given differential equation is that in the form of dy by dx is equals to f of y by x. Therefore, it is homogeneous. Our substitution is y is equals to vx. So, dy by dx is equals to v plus x into dv by dx. So, dy by dx will replace as v plus x into dv by dx is equal to y by x is v minus sin v. So, both the sides v gets cancelled. We have x dv by dx, x into dv by dx is equals to minus sin v. Let us separate the variables now. So, dv divided by minus sin v, that is minus dv divided by sin v is equal to dx by x. Integrating on both sides, we can write this one as minus integration of 1 by sin v is nothing but cosecant v dv is equals to, this is log mod x. Let me write constant as log mod c, because integration of cosecant v is nothing but log mod integration of cosecant x formula. So, integration of cosecant x is nothing but log mod cosecant x plus cot x. So, using that formula, integration, this is negative sign, minus log mod cosecant v plus cot v, cosecant theta minus cot theta, should be minus, log mod cosecant v minus cot v is equals to log a plus log b formula here, which is log ab. So, log mod xc. Now, this minus 1 we can take to the power. So, this will be log of 1 by cosecant v minus cot v, power minus 1. So, which is 1 by cosecant v minus cot v is equals to log mod xc. So, log will get cancelled both sides. We will get 1 by cosecant v minus cot v is equals to xc. Now, let us replace this cosecant, we can write it as cosecant v as 1 by sin v. This is minus cos v by sin v, which is nothing but 1 minus cos v by sin v, or sin v divided by 1 minus cos v is equals to x into c. Now, sin v is nothing but, which implies sin of v is y by x is equals to 1 minus cos of y by x, cross multiplication, 1 minus cos of y by x into xc. Ninth problem, y dx plus x log y by x dy minus 2x dy is equal to 0. First, let us arrange and write this one. So, we can write this one as 2x dy is equal to, sorry, we can take, okay, let us take both the dy terms that side, 2x minus x log y by x of dy, 2x minus x log y by x of dy is equal to y dx, or dy by dx is equal to, dy by dx is equals to y divided by 2x minus x log y by x. Now first let us show the given function is nothing but homogeneous differential equation. So to prove that we should prove this one is in the form of f of y by x. So let us divide both numerator and denominator by x. So when we divide both numerator and denominator by x, we get y by x divided by, here x will get cancelled, 2 minus again x will get cancelled, log of y by x. Therefore the given right hand side function is in the form of f of y by x. So the given differential equation is nothing but homogeneous differential equation. So our substitution is y by x is equals to v. By substituting y by x is equals to v or y is equals to vx, we get dy by dx is equals to v plus x of dv by dx. So let us replace the things. Dy by dx is v plus x into dv by dx is equals to y by x. Y by x is v divided by 2 minus log of y by x log v. Now next step, we have to separate the variables. First let me do simplification. X dv by dx is equals to v divided by 2 minus log v minus v, or by taking LCM I will get minus 2v minus v log v, whole thing divided by 2 minus log v. So this simplification is v minus 2v, this will become plus v minus v, that is minus 2v, minus into minus plus v log v. So this is v log v minus v divided by v log v minus v divided by 2 minus log v, which is x of dv by dx. Now let us separate the variables. So we will get 2 minus log v divided by v into log v minus 1. I took v common outside. V into log v minus 1 is equals to dx by x. Now we separated the variables. So we have to integrate on both sides. So right hand side integration is log mod x plus c. So this place also will get, so we can take this constant as log c. Now let us see how can we do this left hand side integration. I can write the numerator as 1 minus log v minus 1 divided by v of log v minus 1. Let us separate this part. So this integration I need dv. So when I separate this, it is 1 by v of log v minus 1, here dv integration, minus integration of log v minus 1 of dv divided by v into log v minus 1. So the first part is, if I consider this log v minus 1 as t, we will get 1 by v dt, 1 by v dv as dt, this part will become dt. So this will change into dt by t, which is nothing but log mod t. We consider log v minus 1 as t. So the integration of the first part is nothing but log of log v minus 1. Now coming to second part, log v minus 1 will get cancelled. We need integration of dv by v, which is log mod v. So our left hand side integration is nothing but log of log v minus 1 minus log v is equals to, right hand side already we are having log x plus log c, which can be written as xc plus or minus xc. Again we can take plus or minus c as 1 capital C. So this is xc, right hand side. Now my left hand side will be log a minus log b form, which is log of a by b. So log of log v minus 1 divided by v is equals to, right hand side first I should write log xc, afterwards only we can cancel log, which is equals to log xc. Therefore, which is equals to, now this is log of xc. Now the logarithm function will get cancelled on both sides. We get log v minus 1 by v is equals to xc. Now we have to replace v by y by x. So when we replace v by y by x, we get log of y by x minus 1 divided by y by x, or divided by y whole thing into x is equals to xc, or again this x will get cancelled. So we can write yc is equals to log of y by x minus 1. 10th problem, 1 plus e power x by y dx plus e power x by y minus 1 by minus x by y dy. Sorry, the given problem is 1 plus e power x by y dx plus e power x by y of 1 minus x by y dy is equal to 0. When we observe the given function, the function everywhere it is in the form of x by y. So let us try to write what is dx by dy in this. So 1 plus e power x by y of dx is equals to, negative will come, so I will take negative inside, e power x by y of x by y minus 1 of dy. I just put the negative sign inside, so x by y minus 1. Now we will get dx divided by dy is equals to e to the power of x by y of x by y minus 1 divided by 1 plus e to the power of x by y. So the given homogeneous equation is in the form of dx by dy is equals to function of x by y. So it is second form. Previously our form was dy by dx is equals to, it was dy by dx is equals to f of y by x, but now this one is dx by dy is equals to f of x by y. So here our substitution y is equal to vx, here we substitute x is equals to vy. So our substitution is x is equals to vy. So by substituting x is equals to vy, we get dx by dy and differentiating with respect to y. So dx by dy is equals to v into differentiation of y is 1 plus y into dv by dx. Sorry, y into, we are differentiating with respect to y, dv by dy. So v plus y into dv by dy, replacing those terms, we will get now dx by dy is equals to v plus y into dv by dy is equals to, dv by dy is e power x by y. So x by y is v, e power v of x by y v minus 1 divided by 1 plus e power x by y, e power v. So this is nothing but y of dv by dy is equals to e power v of v minus 1 divided by 1 plus e power v minus v. So simplifying, e power v of v minus 1 minus v of e power v. So here by taking, multiplying by e power v, we will get e power v into v minus e power v, this term, divided by 1 plus e power v. So v e power v term gets cancelled. This is equals to negative of e power v plus v divided by 1 plus e power v. Let me write here, y into dv by dy is equals to minus negative of e power v plus v divided by 1 plus e power v. Now let us separate the variables. This one substitution is done. So we can, let me erase this part also. So now we have to separate the variables of v and y. we will have here this part is dv. So, 1 plus e power v divided by e power v plus v is equals to dv is here, negative sign is here, minus dy divided by y. Excuse me, integrating on both sides. Now, 1 e power, let us substitute here for left hand side integration. Let me go for substitution. I will substitute e power v plus v as t. So, when I substitute e power v plus v as t, e power v is again differentiation of e power v is e power v, v differentiation is 1, e power v plus 1 of dv is equals to dt, e power v plus 1 of dv is equal dt. So, the given integration is nothing but dt by t, which is log mod t. So, left hand side integration is log mod t, means t is e power v plus v. So, log mod e power v plus v is equals to right hand side minus log mod y plus, since everything is in log, I will take it as log c. So, this is log a minus log b form. So, log of a by b, log mod c by y, and left hand side log mod e power v plus v. So, log function gets cancelled, e power v plus v is equals to c by y. V can be replaced by, what is v for us? V is nothing but x by y. So, e to the power of x by y plus x by y is equals to c divided by y. By taking LCM for left hand side, we will get y e to the power of x by y plus x divided by y is equal to c by y, or y e power x by y plus x is equals to c. For each of the differential equations in exercises from 11 to 15, find a particular solution satisfying the given condition. So, till previous problem we have done the general solution. Here we have to find out the particular solution, and also it is given y is equal y value and corresponding x value. So, it is easy to find out the particular solution. Now, first let us solve the problem. The given problem is nothing but homogeneous. So, we will arrange and write x plus y of dy. It is given for each of the differential equation. Fine. So, there is not necessary to prove it is an homogeneous, but of course, obviously we can see the degree for each term is 1. So, it is homogeneous. X plus y of dy is equals to minus of x minus y dx, or y minus x of dx, which is equals to, which implies dy by dx is equals to y minus x by x plus y. Now, since it is homogeneous, our substitution is y is equals to vx. So, dy by dx is equals to v plus x of dv by dx. dy by dx is v plus x into dv by dx is equals to y is equals to vx. vx minus x divided by x plus vx. We can substitute like this, or how we have done for the previous 10 problems, bringing the function into y by x and substituting v is also fine. Anyway, we can do. Now, here taking x common outside, we get v minus 1 divided by x of 1 plus v. So, x gets cancelled. Now, x into dv by dx is equals to v minus 1 divided by 1 plus v minus v, which is equals to v minus 1 minus v square divided by 1 plus v, or v gets cancelled. We will get negative of 1 plus v square divided by 1 plus v. So, our next step is to separate the variables. We will get 1 plus v divided by 1 plus v square dv is equals to, negative sign is here, minus dx by x, integrating on both sides. Now this part I can separate. Integration of dv divided by 1 plus v square plus integration of v dv by 1 plus v square is equals to, this part is minus log mod x plus c. Now coming to left hand side, first integration of dv by 1 plus v square is tan inverse of v plus, coming to second part integration, if I substitute 1 plus v square as t, I will get 2v dv is equals to dt, or v dv is dt by 2, integrating on both sides. V dv is by dt, sorry, v dv can be replaced by dt by 2. So, the integration is dt by 2 into 1 plus v square is t. So, half log mod t, or t is 1 plus v square, half log mod 1 plus v square. Half log mod 1 plus v square is equals to minus log mod x plus c. Now, we have to find out the value of c. If I find out the value of c, we get the particular solution. So, to get the value of c, the values of x and y are given. So, let me substitute. Before that, we replace v as y by x. So, tan inverse of y by x plus half log mod 1 plus y square by x square, or otherwise it is nothing but x square plus y square divided by x square is equals to minus log mod x plus c. So, any further simplification? Yes, this half log x square plus y square, and denominator is minus, see close this, log a by b form, log a minus log b, minus log b is minus log x square, again half is there. So, in left hand side I will get one minus log x, right hand side one minus log x is there. So, those terms will get cancelled. So, the given function solution is nothing but, that is general solution, only here half log mod x square plus v square is equals to c. Now, we find out the value of c by substituting the values for x and y. So, tan inverse of y by x, y value is 1, x value is 1, 1 by 1 plus half log mod x square plus y square, 1 plus 1, 2. This is equal to c value. So, half log 2 plus tan inverse of 1, tan inverse of 1 value is pi by 4. So, just we substitute that values here. So, the final solution is nothing but, I will write here, final particular solution, tan inverse of y by x plus half log mod x square plus y square is equals to c. C value is tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4 plus half log mod 2. If you want, we can take 2, that is LCM, but we can give answer like this also. 12th problem, x square dy plus xy plus y square of dx is equal to 0. We have to find out the particular solution. So, first let us arrange and write this problem. X square dy is equals to negative of xy plus y square of dx, or dy by dx is equals to negative of xy plus y square divided by x square. So, the given function is nothing but homogeneous differential equation. So, we substitute y is equal to Vx. When we substitute y is equal to Vx, dy by dx is v plus x of dv by dx is equals to minus of x into y is Vx plus v square x square divided by x square, taking x square common outside. So, x square will get cancelled, we will get negative of v plus v square is equals to v plus x of dv by dx, taking v that side, x dv by dx is equals to minus v is minus 2v. So, minus of 2 plus v square. Now, excuse me, let us separate the variables. We get dv divided by 2 plus v square. 2 plus v square is equals to dx divided by x. Sorry, this simplification is wrong. When we bring this minus sign here, this minus v, we will get minus v square again minus v. So, it will become minus 2v. So, when I take minus v common outside, I will get 2 plus v square, minus 2v minus v square, sorry, minus 2v this one and minus into plus minus v square. So, the right hand side is minus v of 2 plus v. So, I will get here negative sign, I will keep it in the right hand side itself. So, this one when come to denominator, v into 2 plus v. V of 2 plus v, that one, and minus of dx by x. Now, let us integrate on both sides. For right hand side, our integration is minus log mod x plus c, minus log mod x plus c. Now, for left hand side integration, we do the partial fraction. The function is 1 by v of 2 plus v. So, we can write it as a by v plus b by 2 plus v. So, 1 is equals to a of 2 plus v plus bv. Now, we substitute v is equal to 0. When v is 0, we get 2a is equals to 1. So, which implies a is equals to half, and let me substitute v is equals to minus 2. When we substitute v is equal to minus 2, we get 1 is equals to minus 2b, which implies b is equals to minus half. So, the given integration will change as a by v, half 1 by 2 a value, 1 by v dv, and b is minus half into integration of dv divided by 2 plus v. So, the integration part is nothing but half log mod v minus half log mod 2 plus v, our left hand side integration. Half log v minus, so we can take half outside. So, log v minus log of 2 plus v, or log v divided by, okay, I will write the final answer here. So, left hand side integration is half can be taken outside, log mod v divided by 2 plus v. Half is taken outside, log a minus log b form, which is log of a divided by b, which is equals to, since everything is logarithm here, so we can write even c as log c. So, right hand side will become log of c by x, and left hand side half log or log mod v by 2 plus v whole to the power of half. So, now removing the log function, we get v by 2 plus v whole power half, or squaring on both sides, c by x whole square. Now, replacing v by, our v is nothing but y by x. So, y by x divided by 2 plus y by x is equals to c square by x square. Taking LCM, this implies y, this x will get cancelled, y divided by 2x plus y is equals to c square by x square. Let us find the value of c. Given y is 1, x is 1. So, when y and x is 1, we will get c square by x square is 1 is equals to 1 divided by 2 plus 1, 2 here 1, here 1. So, 3. C square is 1 by 3, or c is 1 by root 3. Here we need c square only. So, y divided by 2x plus y is equals to c square by x square. 1 by 3 is c value, 1 by 3 x square, or y is equals to 2x plus y divided by 3x square is our particular solution for the given differential equation. 13th problem, x sin square y by x minus y dx plus x dy is equal to 0. So, let us arrange and write x sin square of y by x minus y of dx is equals to minus x dy, or I can write dy divided by dx. This dx is here. So, we will get with negative sign when I am writing y minus x of sin square of y by x divided by x, dy divided by x dx, negative sign here. So, this x will go, this denominator x will come to denominator. Since negative sign is there, y minus sin square of y by x by x. Let me try to bring this in the form of y by x, function of y by x. So, let me divide each term by x, I will get y by x minus sin square of y by x. Now, substitution is y is equal to vx. So, left hand side dy by dx is v plus x into dv by dx is equals to y by x is v minus sin square of v. So, this is nothing but x into dv by dx is equals to v gets cancelled minus sin square v, separating the variables and integrating dv by sin square v is equals to minus dx by x, integration of what is it? 1 by sin square v is nothing but cosecant square v integration is equals to minus log mod x plus c. Now, cosecant minus cosecant square v integration is cot v minus cot v. Minus cot v is equals to minus log mod x plus c, or multiplying throughout by negative sign, cot v is equals to log x minus log c. Minus c is again another constant, so we can write plus c. Now, to get the c value, when y is let us replace v as y by x first. So, when it is v as y by x, cot of y by x is equals to log mod x plus c. When y is pi by 4, x is 1, cot pi by 4 is 1. So, 1 is equal to log x, log 1 is 0. So, c value is 1. So, we get cot of y by x is equals to log mod x plus 1. We can write even 1 as log e base e. So, the given function, this right hand side will change as log a plus log b as log ab. So, log xe is equals to cot of y by x. 14th problem, dy by dx minus y by x plus cosecant y by x is equal to 0. So, we can write dy by dx is equals to y by x minus cosecant of y by x. Now, it is the form of function of y by x. So, substitution y by x is v. So, which implies dy by dx is equals to v plus x of dv by dx. So, dy by dx v plus x dv by dx is equals to y by x is v minus cosecant v. Now, v will get cancelled on both sides, separating the variables. dv divided by cosecant v is equals to minus dx divided by x. Now, integrating on both sides. 1 by cosecant v is nothing but sin v dv. Left hand side sin v dv is equals to integration of dx by x is log x. So, minus log x plus log c, because okay, we can consider here c as log c. Now, integration of sin v is minus cos v. So, minus cos v is equals to minus log x plus log c, or multiplying throughout by negative sign, cos v is equals to log x minus log c, which is again another constant, plus log c. Now, we can replace v as y by x. So, by replacing v as y by x, cos of y by x is equals to log x plus log c is log xc, log a plus log b form. Now we have to find out the particular solution by substituting the values of x and y. Now cos y by x, when y is 0, x is 1, cos 0 value is 1 is equals to log xc. Log of x is 1, log c. So c value is nothing but, which implies c is, this is base e, c value is e, exponential function. I am converting the logarithmic function into exponential function. So substituting the values, cos of y by x is equals to log of xc, c value is e, log xe. This is the particular solution. 15th problem, 2xy plus y square minus 2x square of dy by dx is equal to 0, y is equal to 2 when x is equal to 1. So rearranging the terms, 2x square of dy by dx is equals to 2xy plus y square, or dy by dx is equals to 2xy plus y square divided by 2x square. Dividing each term by 2x square, we will get y by x plus y by x whole square. Now it is in the form of f of y by x function. So dy by homogeneous function. So substituting v is equals to y by x is equals to v. So our v is equal to y by x, sorry. So we will get dy by dx is v plus x of dv by dx is equals to y by x is v plus y by x whole square is v square. So v terms will get cancelled. Separating the variables, we will get dv divided by v square is equals to dx divided by x, integrating on both sides, v power minus 2 dv is equals to log mod x plus c. Now v power minus 2 integration is v to the power of minus 1 by minus 1 or minus v power minus 1 dv, which can be written as minus 1 by v. Minus 1 by v is equals to log mod x plus c. V is nothing but y by x. So minus x by y is equals to log mod x plus c. To get the c value, when y is 2, x is 1, substituting here, minus 1 by 2 is equals to log 1 is 0, x value is 1 here given, c. So c value is minus half. So minus x by y is equals to log x minus 1 by 2, or we can write this one as minus x is equals to minus y log x plus y by 2. Let us give what is y is equal to from this. First take LCM and cross multiply. Minus 2x is equals to minus 2y log x plus y, or minus 2x is equals to minus y, if I will take outside, we will get log x minus 1, minus y is outside, minus 2 log x minus 1. Therefore, y is equals to, negative sign will get cancelled, 2x divided by 2 log x minus 1. There is one small mistake. When we are doing here 2xy by x square, it is 2 gets cancelled, y by x plus here y square by 2x square. So here 1 by 2 is there. So when we are replacing here, v square by 2 it will come. By separating, 2 will come in numerator, here 2. So this is minus 2 by v. So minus 2 into x by y. When we substitute minus 2 into and multiply, this value will become, c value will become minus 1. So when we replace here c value as minus 1, so our simplification will change. Let me do the simplification here again. Minus x by here, okay, let me do from here again. So our c value is minus 1. So minus x by y is equals to, sorry, minus 2x by y here. So minus 2x by y is equals to log x, c value is minus 1. So, on simplification we will get y is equals to minus 2x divided by log x minus 1 or y is equals to 2x divided by 1 minus log x. 16th problem, a homogeneous differential equation of the form dy by dx is equals to h of x by y, x by y can be solved by making which of these following substitution. See, if the given function, the question is dx by dy, because dy by dx must be h of y by x. So, this should be dx by dy is equals to h of x by y. So, if the given function is in the given differential equation is if dy by dx is equal to some function of y by x, our substitution is y by x is equal to v or y is equal to vx. And similarly, if dx by dy is equal to some function of, here function is given as h of x by y, our substitution is x by y is equal to v or x is equal to yv. So, option C is the correct answer. 17th one, which of the following is a homogeneous differential equation? So, for the homogeneous differential equation, each term should have the same degree. So, let us check based on that. The first option, x is degree 1, y degree 1 plus 6y. Here there is no variable. So, degree of this term is 0. So, all three terms are not having same degree. So, first option is ruled out. Coming second one, here x is degree 1, y is degree 1, since they are in product, together the degree is 1 plus 1, 2, but in the second term x cube, degree is 3. So, this is also not a homogeneous equation. Next, here this part is x cube power 3, 2y square, here power 2. So, not a homogeneous equation. Last one, degree 2, here degree 2, again 1 plus 1, 2, here 2 y square. So, this is homogeneous, but anyway we will once rearrange and check whether the last option is in the form of dy by dx is equals to f of y by x. So, we can arrange it as y square dx is equals to, let me take the terms there. So, we will get y square plus xy minus x square of dy. This one, therefore, dy by dx is equals to y square divided by this y square divided by y square plus xy minus x square. So, this one, let me divide both numerator and denominator by x square. We will get y by x whole square as numerator divided by here y by x whole square. I am dividing by x square. When we divide this term by x square, 1x will get cancelled. We will get y by x, and last term x square will get cancelled, minus 1. So, we simplified as dy by dx is nothing but function of y by x. Therefore, the last option is the homogeneous differential equation.